Your dog's sense of smell is incredible? While humans have around 6 million scent receptors in our noses, dogs have up to 300 million. That means they can detect scents at concentrations up to 100,000 times lower than we can. It's why they're such amazing trackers, able to sniff out anything from a missing person to a single drop of liquid in a huge pool. But here's something fun: a dog's nose is so unique, it's like a human fingerprint. Each dog has its own individual nose print made of tiny ridges and creases. It's not commonly used for identification, but it shows how distinctive every pup really is. So, next time your dog is sniffing around, remember, they're exploring a whole world of smells we can't even imagine.